about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
I was really on the fence about getting the GoPro 9 because the 8 is really solid. But now that I'm thinking about it, because of the forward-facing camera, like now I'm like, maybe I should get it, because I never know. I have to slightly point this down. Normal cameras, you point to like your eyes, but this one I have to point to like my nose or my chin for me to be framed right, because I have no idea because I can't see the camera. Anyways, this is like the second time I've been trying to do a vlog. I did it the first time a few days ago, but the problem was like my morning, I have a couple hours on the way to the shop, and they booked, it's usually me, Joe, and Cody at the shop on Sundays, so they booked for me, Joe, and Cody, but apparently they didn't know that Joe was taking the day off. So on Sunday, we went in there. I started tinting at 8 a.m. and I didn't stop until 6:30 at night. I think I had maybe 15 minutes to eat lunch, so literally like not really any time to kind of shoot a vlog or shoot anything in additional stuff. So I am trying to attempt to do it again today. So yeah, on my way to Orlando now. 7:06 a.m. Should be there in about 35-40 minutes, and we'll get the day started. What's funny is that like I was just shooting like some B-roll and such, and I was like, let me roll the window down. It looks kind of dark. Look how it looks so much darker than it really is. But look how dark my tint is. Hold on, ready? So dark. Half the time, because I've never had my car this dark before, so half the time I'm like, God, it's really dark, and then I get outside and I'm like, oh, wait a minute, no, it's not. On the plus side, I am getting to know Orlando a lot better. We're at mile marker, I don't know, 62? Exit 62. International Airport. 62, Disney World Celebration. But the International Airport, it is next to the convention center where we're going to be having the tint off in June or July now. I don't know, they moved it from January sometime here. But let me think here. Exit 75A is Universal, and exit 81 is my exit. So we're literally like 10 minutes away from Universal, which is a big thing. I've done Disney World like literally every year from like when I was 13 till I was like 25. So it was a college thing. So I'm Mickey'd out, but I am a huge Harry Potter fan. So like I would love to go to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Like it's like so close, it's right there, but then I don't go. So maybe one day I just won't go to work and I'll just go to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter all day long. Maybe that would be the goal. That'd be fun. That'd be really fun actually. Exit 72 for the convention center, for those of you guys that are going to the conference. Also, it's where the international airport is at, and Cape Canaveral, if you guys are curious. The next exit, I think it's the next exit, 3 miles up, Universal. So, strong possibility that when the convention, when we do the conference, that we'll do the conference and then like probably just go to Universal. Strong possibility. On the plus side, it won't focus here. My finger is getting much better. If I didn't tell you guys, I cut the shit out of my hand. Like I probably should have needed stitches. It was like, not a lot, but probably 2 or 3, maybe 4 stitches. It was deep, and there was a lot of blood. So long story short, I was trying to cut off a security tag from, for the wifey from like her Black Friday shopping. They forgot one. So I ended up, the knife slipped like right before I was like, this is probably a bad idea. I should probably not do this and do a different way. And then the knife slipped and then I cut into my hand with a very sharp and very big knife. Now in the front end right here of the cut, it's still numb. So I don't know if I'm gonna get feeling back in there, but I mean, at least it's healing somewhat. It kind of looks a little weird, right? The side. So I guess we'll figure out what we're gonna do there. In the future, side note, if you guys work with your hands, don't do stupid shit because you need your hands to work. So. It's about midday. I'm gonna go over to Jersey Mike's Subs, get a sandwich, and get a little re-energized, and then back at it. Knocked out a few cars, 3 or 4 or 5, I don't know. There's a lot of us in there. 3 of us, 4 of us, 3 and a manager. I'm hungry though. Gonna go get some subs. So I'm at a place called Mooyah. I guess there's a brand new franchise. We're checking out the burgers right here. But the burgers look pretty good. I got a protein, some sort of protein thing, wrapped in lettuce. The fries are really good, fresh cut. Double fried, they're probably not the healthiest for you, but they taste delicious. Very good. So the fries kind of remind me of Five Guys fries. But they're good. They're very good. I got a combo. The only down thing is, for this burger, I added a slice of cheese and it was a combo. It was $17.32 for basically a burger, fries, and a drink, which is pretty steep. It's good, but you have to really, really love it. I didn't know how much it was going to cost, so I just paid for it, but I mean, you're talking almost 20 bucks a person. For a family of 4, you're looking at $70 to $80. which if we can do that, you can almost go to a sit-down restaurant. So, I mean, the food's good. And if you want to splurge, I think it'd be worth it. I'm about to bite into this burger and kind of check it out, but yeah, looking forward to it. I'll tell you what, I've been into this burger. It's a really, really good burger. The meat patties are delicious and seasoned very well. And I've been on a kick about like a health kick. So like the double fried fries probably aren't the best, but not having a bun and wrapping it basically in a lettuce wrap is like a really good option, I think. But now that I've actually dove into the burger, it's a really, really good burger. Still don't know if I would come again for an $18 burger, $17 burger, but it's still good, for sure. So initial impressions is that like I didn't like that it was $17. Now granted, it would have been $16 if I didn't get the extra slice of cheese or whatnot, but it was actually a really good burger, really good fries. Now, is it like something you go out to every single day for lunch? I probably wouldn't say that, but if I didn't try their shakes, and their shakes look really good, and I'll probably try their shake next time. But for a place that's just doing it real simple, good quality burgers, good quality fries, hand cut, fresh cut fries, never frozen fries. Yeah, I'd say I would definitely go back. You know, my initial thoughts of it being a little pricey is right, but then I'm thinking like I eat at Jersey Mike's and I'll get a regular size sandwich and a drink and chips, and it's like $14. So what's another couple bucks for really good food? Really good food. So I think I like the place. I'll go back for sure. All right, now back to work.
Okay, nothing. I taught you too much.
End of the day, We did a number of different cars. We did good. I think we did really good. I did a quick time lapse of us doing a big front windshield. An airline or steam something from Mercedes. Big ass windshield. And then shot some video of Mario hand cutting a door and such, whatever's. So yeah, we're moving right along. I think it was a good day. I'm gonna hit something. I don't know. Hopefully there's gonna be no traffic. Usually an hour 45 minutes to get home, but with some traffic it could be a couple hours. So I'll be home by about 8 o'clock tonight or so. Gotta stop at Target to get some gift cards for the kids' teachers and our Taekwondo instructor as well. So one stop before we head home, and then the day's over. All right. Hopefully there's not be any traffic. Hopefully.